In this experiment, we are measuring three-phase power by using 2 wattmeter method. So basically, this is a meter section, this is the load section, and this is the transformer section. So here, this is power supply. The power supply is first connected to the transformer. From that transformer, output is taken and it's connected to all these meters. That is voltmeter, meter 1, wattmeter 1, wattmeter 2, and ammeter. Then after that, the output of these meters are connected to load side. So here, three important parts. One is transformer, meter section, and load section. Let us begin the connection according to the circuit diagram. Here we can see that the switch, this is the switch, MCB is the switch. Next, this is the fuse. Then the RYB of this one is supply is connected to input of the transformer. So now we see that this is switch. The MCB acts as switch here. Next one is the fuse. Then input. The RYB connections is given to the input side of the transformer. First we will do this connection. So first R2 R connection. Next we'll take this way. Next Y2 Y connection. Next B2 B, and the last one neutral to neutral. Here I am not concentrating on the color code of the wires. Okay, so the input is ready now. Then we will take that output of the transformer, that is from R2 is connected to first ammeter. Ammeter connection is here, and second one is the end of the ammeter is connected to the M part of the wattmeter. Then from L part of the wattmeter is connected to U1. The same way what you can do the rest of the connection. Now circuit is completed according to the circuit diagram. The common mistake in the circuit diagram is the shorting of the wattmeter 1, wattmeter 2 on V1. This is the common mistake what we do while doing this experiment. So how this short is done means the V of the wattmeter 1 and the V of the wattmeter 2, these two are short circuited by using this red wire, and the common of this one is connected to V1. So this point have to be check it out before making on the power supply. The important thing in three-phase AC power supply is that first have to check that the transformer is set to 0 or not. So if it is not set it for 0, that might be dangerous the moment when you turn on the power supply if there is a wrong connections. So therefore you have to consider the voltage of the transformer has to be set it to 0 now. The voltage is set it to 0 now. Next thing is you need to power up the wattmeters and the rest of the voltmeter and ammeter, so by using auxiliary power supply. Next you need to turn on the MCB. The moment when you turn on, you can see that light in all three lamps. So after that what you can do, you have to increase the voltage by using auto transformer. Now I am increasing the voltage, see that. So I am going to increase this voltage up to 400 and above voltage. So now I set it for 430 volt. Now what I can do, the next is you need to apply the load. Then the moment when the load is applied, the current is increases, the wattmeter reading is increasing. Now you have to note down the wattmeter reading. For the next steps what you can do, again apply the load, you have to note down wattmeter 1, wattmeter 2 reading along with the voltmeter and ammeter. So by applying each loads, you have to note down the ratings of all 4 meters. This is how we can measure three-phase power using 2 wattmeter method.